You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now we see market moving up as I predicted, and I'm going to tell you the target for where I am expecting the market to get to. And on the 4-hour chart, on the video short time, you see market break this level of resistance. I've been talking about this, and also on the ETH 4-hour chart. All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video on the BTC USDT 1-day chart. I have been talking about the market moving from this very area after Fed meeting. I said we have to wait for 48 hours. This was Fed meeting, and this very day plus this one, and I said market is going to come back down a little bit before this actual movement, and I was expecting market to cross the $19,500 level. That is at this very point. If you follow that very video, that is very point, $19,500, and once we see a bullish candle that cross above this very $19,500, which this very candle for me right now is doing, then know that market is going to move to the upside. So this right now on the long term is good to take a long position for market to move to the upside, or buy Bitcoin, because I am expecting the market to move up to $22,500 to $23,000 level at this very point. So I'm expecting the market to ride from here up to this very level of $22,500 to $23,000 at this very area. This is where I am expecting the market to move to. And if we see the market move drastically to the upside and create a new high, higher than this high at this very point, then know that we are going to see some sort of bullish price action in the market continuation from next month to November. So this is what I am paying attention to right now. And like I said, anytime you see market price infra to the Fed interest rate decision, always analyze your data very well and know that the market may turn the other way around, contrary to what the market opinion is talking about. And that is very important because you need to analyze such data to your advantage. So this is what I am paying attention to right now. Expect this market to move to this very area. This is my own technicals. And on the 4-hour chart here, I was talking about market breaking this level of resistance. We have resistance here, we have resistance here, resistance. You see a breakout, and after this breakout, market is at this level of resistance again. So resistance here, resistance at this area. The market will find resistance here as well. That's not an exception. So expect the market to retrace back down between where the market is right now and 2,500. That is from this very area of 2,500 to where the market is right now. Expect a retracement. That will be a mini retracement to the downside a little bit, maybe to retest on this level of resistance, which is on support here, before the market will continue again to the upside. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on the immediate short term on the 4-hour chart. That means that if you did not take this trade around this area on the 1-hour chart, and right now the market is here, don't take a buy position here anymore, because market will move a little bit to the upside, then come back down. This coming back down from the retracement will give you a nice buy price. Okay, so you buy at a very beautiful price from a very nice level of support, which is resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, which was also support at this very area. So this is what I am paying attention to right now. But if you are leaving this trade for a long time, then looking at the 1-day chart, it would be nice to take a trade at the close of this very candle that is forming right now. And on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart, you see the market move into this level of resistance. So we have resistance here, which is resistance on this very spike, and we have the market at this very point of resistance. What I am expecting in this very market is a little bit of retracement to the downside between the $1,400 level at this very point to where the market is right now, to the downside a little bit before continuation, and market can possibly come into this area because that will turn support on this very level. So we have resistance here, which turns support at this very point for market to move to the upside. But wait for a retracement from this very area of $1,400 $400 level on ETH to where the market is right now to the downside. Then at this very area, you look for some sort of bullish candle or bullish candlestick pattern from this very area for market to also move to the upside on ETH. So this is what I am paying attention to now on ETH, on the immediate short term, and also on BTC on the immediate short term. What do you think about the market right here? Because I'm so much concerned about what is going to happen on the 1 day chart. Do you think that this market is going to turn back down, break this level of support and head back to the downside, or you think this market is going to go in line with my analysis? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. If you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video. See contacts, reach out to me immediately and get trained and mentored. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.